Hello everyone, this is Engineer Salase from Hello Academy and Brain Boosters. Today we are going to see how to download and install Primavera P6 software for free and lifetime. And I prepare a step-by-step guide and let's get into it. So, hello everyone. So the first step in installing Primavera software will be, first we have to download the software. So go to this website. I will put the link down below and go to this website, and once you reach this website we have to create an account. And you need a valid email address. Okay. And we have to give a password. As you can see, the password must have upper and lowercase letter, at least one number and a special character. So this is United Arab Emirates, and the name we can give any name, our name. For now, for example, let me say Peter, and the last name is like John, and civil engineer or any, and the phone number we have to give, and company, National Engineering Bureau, Dubai, and province is Dubai. And so once you fill this, you just create account, and once you see this they say they will send verification email. So we go to here. Yeah, this is the verification email. Automatically they will send it, then we have to verify it. And once it's verified, and we're gonna click continue. So once we click continue, it will take us into the same Oracle software delivery cloud, and in this time we don't need to create, we have to sign in, and with the email address we have gave and the password we have registered, and we have to sign in. Once we are here, we have to choose what we need. For example, Primavera P6 Professional, Primavera, let's check Primavera. What we need is, we have to search in the box, we have to write copy, paste, Primavera Professional for PPE, EPPM. Yeah, so as you can see, it will give us a lot of choice. From here, look what we can do. Copy and paste. For example, from here As you can see, we have version 21, 22.12, 21.12, 21, so we have to choose this. Then this one is already added in the so we have to continue, we have to click continue. So when we come here, we can see that we have Primavera P6 Professional Projects Management and Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Portfolio Management. So we have two. So what we are going to do, this was January 26, 2022, Oracle standard, and this is also the same. So let's go and choose EP. Okay, yeah, we don't need this one, so we need this one, Professional Project Management, and we have to choose the platform. Okay, we have to choose the platform and we have to continue, and let's say okay and continue. So as you can see, we have the Primavera P6 Professional Application, Primavera P6 Professional Database Setup, we have Primavera P6 Professional APIs and documentation. So let's select all and let's go to download. So as you can see, the download is here. So it's already downloaded. So this is how you can download. In the next video I will show you how to install it.